Good morning, students.
Good morning, sir.
How are you?
We are fine, and you?
Fine, thank you. Today we shall do some Jawaharlal Navodaya Vidyalaya entrance exam sums. Right? The first sum is come here. Simplification of the following. Simplification means what? Saralikarana. That means Saralikarana. Saralikarana. Or simplify means Sarala Kara. Okay? Now, let's do it. Yes, the question is 15 half minus bracket 12 upon 5 into 5 upon 8 plus again bracket 7 divided by 1 3 upon 4 bracket ends into 2, right? So bracket is given, plus minus division multiplications are also given. So how shall we simplify it? केमिति आमे आको सरल करिया? There is a clue. There is an order of simplification. We have to follow it. Let's see what is the order. Just 1 minute. Let's see. Yes. Here is the order. That is Botomas. That is, look at the blackboard. Rules of ordering in mathematics, Botomas. Ordering mathematical operation, first both means bracket, right? O means of, OF of, D means division, M means multiplication, A means addition, subtraction. If bracket is given, we will do it first. Then if of is given, we will do it next. Then we will do division, then multiplication, then addition, then subtraction. So that is both mass. In Oriya, there is also Baraha Gumipe. Baraha, just 1 minute. Baraha Gumipe. Ra ha gu mi pe. Ba means what? Bandhani. That means bracket, right? B means bracket bandhani, right? Next O of. This is of, this is bracket, this is of, right? Next D means division, that is harana. Next multiplication, that is gunana. Addition, that is mishana. And subtraction, that is hedana. Could you understand? Baraha Gumipe or Bodmas, BODMAS, Bodmas. So this is the order to solve or to simplify a sum if simplification is asked. Now let's move to the question, right? Just 1 minute. Okay, this is the question. Yes. Yes, this sum is like this. We will do it. 15 1/2 minus bracket. So first we will do this bracket, this one, right? So we will write the order first. So the order is 15 half, right? Minus bracket 12/5 12/5
5
next into what? 5/8. Yes,
plus
bracket, just 1 minute, plus bracket what? 7 divided by what? 1/3 bracket ends into 2. So first what shall we do? So by applying Bodmas, V Bodmas, that is V Bodmas, V Bodmas we will apply here. So first 15, this is a mixed fraction, you know. We shall do it, we will convert it into improper fraction, right? So that is into plus. Now 15 to the 30 plus 1 is how many? 31. Yes. 31/what? 2. Right? Minus bracket. Next 12/5
into 5
5/8. Yes. Plus
bucket
we will do it. Right? We will do it. What shall we do it? This is a bracket 7 into its reciprocal. This is 4/4 plus 3 is 7 upon 4. Right? Bracket ends and 2. Right? Next 31/2 31/2, right? Minus bracket begins 12/5 into 5/8 plus bracket begins 7. It's not 7/, this is, could understand, this is like this, division. Okay, into 4/7 bracket ends into 2, right? Into 2, right? So 7, top 7, bottom 7 cancelled. Okay, could understand it? Next one is also 31/2. Next, tell me.
minus 3/2 bucket
Minus bracket
3/2 plus 4 bucket and
bracket, yes.
3/2
Now we will do it. First we will do it. Here 5 cancel, right? 4 to the 4 3 the, that is 3/2, right? 3/2 plus this is
4.
4 bracket into 2, right, is equal to 31 upon 2 minus bracket, what is it,
11
LCM 2 3 plus 8, right, into 2 is equal to how many, 31 upon 2, right, minus what, 11 2 back in bracket into 2, right, 2 cancelled, right, is equal to 31 upon 2 minus
minus 11
11 is equal to
is equal to 31 minus
31 is equal to, just 1 minute, LCM 2 31 minus how many, 11
20.
is equal to 20 upon 2 is equal to 10. Answer is 10, right? Answer is
9 by 2.
oh, this is sorry this is 22. This is 22. So just 1 minute. Right, 22 right. Okay, let's move again. Again we shall do this same sum. Yes, just 1 minute. Yes. So let's know what is Bodho mass. Here is VBODMAS. Stands Bodho mass stand for vinculum. You know, sometimes it is written A plus B ऊपर बार चिन्ह दिया होची. एडो गामी कहूचे vinculum, right? So stands for vinculum or bracket. B means bracket of division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. So when this type match are given, we make a mistake to calculate, and that which symbol we use first to calculate. Mathematics. So vinculum, what is this? Is called vinculum, right? This is bracket, right? This is bracket. This is of Bodho mass of Bodho mass. M D means division. M multiplication. A addition. S subtraction. Okay. Now let's do mathematics. Our mathematics. Yes, here is the mathematics. Right? We shall do it. We shall do it. This is given. A man travels at a speed of 30 kilometers per hour. Right? Next, this is 44. We will do 42. Just 1 minute. 42 mathematics. 42 is yes. This is 42 number, right? The number of numbers which are multiples of both 3 and 5 in the first 100 natural number is how many?
10.
Let's say calculate the number which are multiples of both 3 and 5 are, you know what? 15 1. What did I say? 15 1 the because the multiple of 3 and 5 is equal to both common multiple of 3 and 5 is equal to 15.
50.
Common multiple of 3 and 5 is equal to 15 because 15 is divided by 3
3 and
5
5.
and 5, so it is the common multiple LCM, right? So let's see. So 15 1 the 15, next 15 2 the 30, 15 3 the 45, 15 4 the 60, 15 5 the 75, 15 6 the 90, 15 7 the 105, so it is more than 100, but we are asked to find out the numbers that are divided by both 3 and 5, and those numbers should be between 100. So how many numbers we calculated? How many numbers? Tell. 1 2 3 4 5 6. How many numbers?
6.
But you told me 10 numbers, right? Didn't you? Didn't you tell 10? You were wrong. How many numbers?
6.
What are they? 15, 30, 45, 60, 75, 90. Okay. Now let's move to the next sum. Which of the following statement, that is 43. Which of the following statements is correct? 0 is an odd number. You know 0 is neither odd nor even, right? 0 is an even number. It is also wrong. 0 is a prime number. 0 is neither a prime neither a what?
Odd.
Prime and what? Composite. Yes. It is neither prime nor a composite number. 0 is neither odd nor even number. And D is correct. What did I say? This one is correct. What did I say? D is correct. Okay, shall we move to the next page? Yes, we shall move. Let's go.